It's legal impossible for Blord to send Verydarkman into prison because of civil matter like trademark issue, dispute. Do you understand me? But let's see what our brother posted here. He said, Verydarkman VDM should be careful, else he will be arrested and sent to jail for using my brand. Laughable. It's just a funny post anyway, sha. But we are in Nigeria, so controversial matter is what is selling. So some of you now will not understand. So he now said here, I have directed my son to issue KSCs and deceased to VDM to stop using my brand name, Latte, and he will have to get an approval from me henceforth before using that name Latte. Linus Williams, CEO, founder, Latte Group. Nyapotoba. Nyapotoba. But anyway, I like it, what did he man take away from this our brother Blord that Oma how to operate so certain things that this social media, because some things are many the controversial matter to in a pool some certain thing in a sell their own product. Do you understand? So one thing is talk got time at this social space about that now. Blord is using Verydarkman to promote some certain things on a man of social media. Do you understand me? Ask yourself where is the B point? App ahụ dị ka ife ngwụla ahụ ebelie ya. Go to Trust Pilot ka ichekie that app if ife ndị mmadụ na-akọ there, if how many review onwe. Do you understand me? So nke ọ na-eme kịta na bụ Verydarkman ka ọ na-use to revive some certain things. Ịghọtago but ụmụ ife ọ ya pụtara ofe na-ekwu like this ọchị a na-atọ m because ụmụ ofu nwa bụ the gorable one aghọtara egwu fa na-agba na the social media. Ịghọtago? One about that na Blord Aman stop Verydarkman not to use that name. Do you understand me? There is a name. I think I heard this thing last year. A company called the Latte Nigerian Limited. And that company now they associated with Verydarkman. Is either the Latte Incorporated or the Latte Nigeria Limited Incorporated. That company related to Verydarkman is a registered company in Nigeria. Now, ka Blord na-ekwu that na ife abụ brand ya na trademark gị, ọ gwara unu under which category, under which class ka that the latter ya fụnụ. Do you understand what I'm saying? O nwere some things ọ ga-abụ nna afụ na the social media. Ọ si a na-atọ m. Na-aghọta that na ka nwere a lot of gullible people na Nigeria. Educated, empty vessel everywhere who don't ask question. Do you not understand? Some of us don't ask question. If we find out about this social media, if Linus he's just promoting his brand. Verydarkman aman stop Blord not to use Ratel. Blord aman stop Verydarkman not to use Ratel. Because so in Nigeria registry, you must have your own class. Ebe afa nke gị daba. All this is not nweziri ihe actually idozi. Do you understand me? I will get a treat one kind. Ịghọtago mana ife a nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Blord na-emeketa na ya afụ some people are like Verydarkman ga-eji because of that patronize ya ife ọ na-eme. Do you understand me? Ọ bụrụ na iwepụta app bụ the problem, how long ka that app ga-anọ? That onye ahụ bupụta app ahụ, how many people will trust to that person ime transaction na that app? That the same thing happened to B point. Ịghọtago ọ bụrụ ya na ịmago na Linus bụ social media ọ nidere controversial issue. Ịghọtago na ka ihe a na-eme dị ka na-aga. Una we still later understand the game and so me una no worry. Ịghọtago ka anyị na-ene ka Verydarkman ga-esi wee handle the thing. That's why I'm put ebe a na m agwa unu lapụrụ Verydarkman na Blord. They have unfinished business. Do you understand? If I believe a tribe issue, ịghọtago so ekenekwenu m ihe a ka m chọrọ ka ịghọta. Jụọ Blord under which class ka that Latte app o mepee nọ. Do you understand? Get the register. Get register. A lot of questions. You suppose you na ajụke na ajụjụ na the social media. Negazie.